Hello, welcome to this new series of MySQL videos. My name is JC Paz, and this is a new video series related to Protocol X. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know to handle JSON documents in a MySQL server. Introduction to MySQL Protocol X. Flexible and powerful, Protocol X offers a robust way to manage and access MySQL schemas, particularly for handling JSON documents in a modern database environment. Main uses: document-based applications, ideal for applications that store and process data in JSON format. Hybrid applications, useful for applications that use both relational database tables and JSON data, providing flexibility between structured and unstructured data. Protocol and connectivity. Session-oriented, supports sessions, making it suitable for modern, stateful applications. Connectors, you can access MySQL using Protocol X through various connectors, such as MySQL Shell, connector for Java, connector for JS, and connector for Python. Advanced characteristics. Document store, Protocol X supports full CRUD operations with JSON documents. CRUD API simplifies interactions with the database, making it easy to perform create, read, update, and delete operations. SQL and NoSQL support combines the flexibility of SQL with the ability to handle JSON documents, supporting both relational and non-relational data models. Performance, scalability, and security. Optimized communication uses binary data transfer for improved performance. Future-ready, designed to scale and meet future application requirements. Security includes TLS encryption, ensuring secure data transmission. How to access collections from MySQL using Protocol X. First, import libraries OS and MySQL X. Get 4 environment values to construct con dictionary boast, port, busser, password. Second, create variables default host, default port, user, password, and schema. Third, create the Python con dictionary with key value pairs. Host, port, default port, user, password, and schema. Fourth, create the variable option string. Finally, create variable client using the library MySQL X with the getClient method. After these steps, create a session variable using the client variable. In future lectures, we will use from CNXDB import session to open schemas and access collections. After we have session available, we can use my schema variable to access one in particular, and we can use my collection variable to handle one collection from this schema. In this example, we can use the collection variable to find one or some rows or records that meet our requirements. I'm going to search for a record whose key is name and value is Eric. Data returns the information in a DB object or a list of DB objects that we can transform in a dictionary or list of dictionaries using the method loads from the JSON library. Finally, if we want to write the list of records to MySQL in a new collection or to a JSON file, we need to use the method dumps from JSON to do it. Here you can see all the variables. And in this other picture you can follow the steps to do the same kind of procedure with another collection. From a client we can get a session, from a session we can get a schema, from a schema we can get a collection. From any collection we can find a row or a list of rows having one object or several objects. Once that we have a DB doc or a list of DB docs, we can do the loads method from the JSON library to obtain a Python dictionary or a list of Python dictionaries. And if we want to store the JSON to a file or to a new collection inside MySQL, then we need to use the method dumps from JSON to do it. In future videos, I will show you many interesting things that you can do with this protocol. Please give me a like and subscribe to this channel to receive notifications when new videos become available. Thank you for your participation.